Hey designers, if you want to create a bold, colorful thumbnail, a clean black and white thumbnail, or even a realistic human thumbnail, you can easily do all of it with Whisk AI. Just open Whisk AI. This is what the interface looks like. And select Try Whisk AI, Enter tool. Here, you'll write your prompt. Whatever idea you have, just paste it in the box. The dimensions are already set to landscape 16:9, but if it's not, choose landscape for your thumbnail. Press enter. And in a few seconds, the AI will generate an amazing thumbnail. If you want your own picture as the subject, go to the subject option. You can type a description of the person you want, or you can upload your own photo by selecting Upload Image and choosing your picture. It will take a little time to upload, and then a little more time to analyze. Just wait for the Analyzing Image step to finish. When the analysis is done, press Enter again, and the AI will create a thumbnail with your photo as the subject, even changing your expression slightly. Select any picture you like and click Refine. To add text, simply type whatever text you want in the box and press Enter. After a few seconds, boom, it generates a great result. If you want glowing text, just say, "Make the text glow" in the prompt, and it will update the thumbnail. Once Whisk AI creates the thumbnail, you can go back and generate another prompt using the same subject without deleting it. After a few seconds, kaboom, you'll see how beautifully it changes the expression of the same person. Choose any version you like, click Refine, write your text again, and it will generate it for you in seconds. This tool is amazing for creating thumbnails, and the best part is that it's completely free right now, so use it as much as you can. And if you want to learn more about Whisk AI, I have another video you can check out as well. Till next time, bye-bye.